Today, we're discussing a topic that's on everyone's minds. Why is Amazon stock down? As one of the world's most recognizable and valuable retailers, Amazon's performance this year has been a cause for concern for investors. In fact, the company became the first to lose over $1 trillion in market value, potentially leading to plans to lay off 10,000 employees. But what's behind this drop in Amazon stock value? Is it just a temporary dip, or is there something more underlying at play? To understand the situation, it's important to remember that Amazon is more than just an online retailer. Over the past 30 years, the company has expanded into various industries, including hardware manufacturing, video distribution, book publishing, and much more. In fact, journalist George Packer described Amazon as a global superstore like Walmart. It's also a hardware manufacturer like Apple, and a utility like Con Edison, and a video distributor like Netflix, and a book publisher like Random House, and a production studio like Paramount, and a literary magazine like the Paris Review, and a grocery deliverer like Fresh Direct. And someday it might be a package service like UPS. The diversity of Amazon's offerings can make it difficult to pinpoint a specific reason for the drop in its stock value. However, one potential factor could be the increased competition in the retail industry, as well as potential challenges in the company's other ventures. Now, we want to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you have Amazon stock in your portfolio? Have you been considering adding or selling it? Let us know in the comments below. As one of the world's most valuable and diverse companies, it's not easy to pinpoint a single reason for the drop in Amazon stock value. Many factors are at play, from labor practices and market crashes to controversies around data use and poor public relations. But to truly understand the situation, it's important to take a deeper look at the main causes behind the drop. One factor could be the numerous controversies that have surrounded Amazon this year, including criticism of its work conditions and the company's tendency to favor its own products over those of other sellers. Additionally, Amazon's Q4 outlook was a cause of concern for investors. While the company saw a 15% increase in revenue for Q3 compared to the previous year, its outlook for Q4 was significantly lower than analysts had anticipated. This led to a 20% drop in Amazon's stock in just a few hours, though there has been a slight recovery since then. As investors, it's crucial to understand the factors influencing stock prices in order to make informed decisions. A general trend that has been concerning investors is the recent struggles of tech industry giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Apple. Now, while each of these companies has its own specific challenges, they all have seen their stock values drop significantly in 2022. In fact, Amazon set a record by losing over $1 trillion in market value, and Microsoft was a close contender. But the struggles of these companies go beyond just their financial performance. Many have been laying off employees at alarming rates, approaching levels seen during the Great Recession. Amazon is no exception, with CEO Andy Jassy announcing that layoffs will extend into next year. Unfortunately, Jassy's comments about not regretting the decision to lay off thousands of employees, combined with Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' statement about finding it hard to give away his fortune to charity, have sparked widespread criticism. There are complex and multifaceted issues at play regarding the struggles of these tech industry giants. We want to hear your thoughts on this topic. Have you been impacted by the layoffs or changes at any of these companies? Let us know in the comments below. As one of the biggest players in the advertising industry, Amazon has seen its ad sales grow rapidly in recent years. In fact, the company outpaced Meta and Google in August of 2022. However, increasing concerns around privacy have made it harder for companies like Amazon to continue growing at the same rate. For example, Apple's changes to its privacy controls have affected the entire industry. This has led to a decrease in demand for advertising services, and a decrease in the amount advertisers are willing to spend per impression. Amazon's CFO Brian Olsavsky even mentioned that the company is preparing for what could be a slower growth period, like most companies. Clearly, the advertising industry is facing some challenges, and companies like Amazon are feeling the effects. Now, we want to hear your thoughts on this topic. Are you in the advertising industry? How have these changes impacted your business? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more financial news and analysis. Thanks for watching.